Hey YouTube, it's the Buckmaster HV. First shot out here with the gamo silent cat, and I just shot this sparrow bird right over there on the carport. I shot him about 10 yards away. Just got there. He flew out. He must have heard me step on a rock. Flew out in the tree, and I got him right there in the neck, right under the eye. Really good shot on him. This little bird here is my pretty small one, but they're still annoying. So I got him. So it's one off the list. So subscribe.